Hi. So, I just wanted to show you how you can use the only on repeat feature with your animations. For example, on this creative, I have an outro group, which I only want to be there on the last run. So, what I've done is I've added an opacity animation that says end with 0%, and I've simply clicked on to have it only on repeat. So, this animation will only be on the rolls where it's going to repeat again. I've also done this just to show you guys with my subheadline on the move animation that I have and opacity animation. I've just clicked on only on repeat. So right now the subheadline is only going to be there for the first two rolls, but not on the last one where the banner is not going to repeat again. So what this is going to look like is that you're going to have the subheadline on the first two. You're not going to have the outro, but then on the third roll, as you can see, the subheadline is missing, and we have the outro at the end here. So in this way, you can control which animations are going to do what at which role, essentially.